Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into one of the most crucial topics for crypto investors: how to build a diversified crypto portfolio like a pro in 2025. Whether you're a beginner just starting your crypto journey or an experienced trader looking to refine your strategy, this guide is packed with valuable tips to help you navigate the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. Why diversification is key in crypto investment. Diversification is a powerful strategy to manage risk while maximizing potential returns. The crypto market is highly volatile, and investing in a single coin can expose you to unnecessary risks. By spreading your investments across different types of assets, you can protect yourself from the extreme price swings of individual cryptocurrencies. Steps to building a diversified crypto portfolio. Understand your risk tolerance. Are you a risk taker or more conservative with your investments? Knowing your risk profile will help you decide how much to allocate to high-risk, high-reward assets like meme coins versus more stable options like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Start with the foundations. Allocate a significant portion of your portfolio to well-established cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These are the blue-chip assets of the crypto world, offering more stability and long-term growth potential. Diversify across market sectors. Layer 1 protocols. Examples include Solana, Cardano, and Avalanche. DeFi, decentralized finance. Consider projects like Aave, Uniswap, or Curve Finance. Metaverse and NFTs. Explore tokens like Decentraland, Mana, or Sandbox, Sand. Utility tokens. Research Binance Coin, BNB, or Chainlink, Link. Include stablecoins. Stablecoins like USDT, USDC, or DAI are essential for managing volatility. They provide a safe haven during market downturns and can be used for staking or yield farming. Explore emerging projects. Allocate a smaller percentage of your portfolio to high-risk, high-reward opportunities like new blockchain technologies or tokens with innovative use cases. Do thorough research or consult trusted analysts before investing in these projects. Monitor and rebalance regularly. As the market evolves, your portfolio allocation may shift. Regularly review your holdings and rebalance to maintain your desired diversification levels. Pro tips for crypto investors in 2025. Research thoroughly. Always DYOR, do your own research. Avoid FOMO and assess projects for their technology, team, and market potential. Leverage dollar cost averaging, DCA. Invest a fixed amount regularly to reduce the impact of market volatility. Stay updated. Follow industry news and trends. The crypto market changes fast, and staying informed is critical to success. Use reliable platforms. Always trade and invest through trusted exchanges and brokers. Start your crypto journey today. Are you ready to start building your diversified crypto portfolio? Open an account with a trusted Forex and crypto trading platform to get started. We've researched and partnered with one of the most reliable platforms to ensure you have the best tools for success. Right finger click the link in the description or pinned comment below to open your account today. If you found this video helpful, give this video a like to support the channel. Subscribe for more tips, tutorials, and crypto insights. Share this video with friends who are interested in crypto investing. Got questions or need help with your crypto journey? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll be happy to answer.
Here we go. I see the light inside you, brighter than the skies. Hold on, just let us escape and fly away tonight.